The sheet metal workers at this Gauteng-based site manufacture aircraft parts and are known as aircraft sheet metal workers. They are qualified to apply their skills to the many other industries that use sheet metal, like building, car manufacture, and household appliances. Sheet metal workers are also able to repair and install metal parts, but at this site they only manufacture new aircraft parts. The process begins with flat sheets. A work pack shows which program must be used to make a part. It is selected on the control panel. The metal sheet is placed on the cutting machine or router, which automatically drills or cuts it according to the program. This finished sheet shows all the different small parts or components that have been cut and the holes for rivets and screws. The parts are removed from the sheet. The components are then deburred or smoothed to remove the sharp edges. In this tumbling machine, specially made pebbles and water remove and smoothen the sharp edges as the parts are tumbled. The small tumblers are used for small parts. The fladder also deburs. The parts are smoothed by 3 large sanding discs as they move through it. After deburring, the parts go to the press shop or to the hand forming shop. Here in the press shop, the flat component is placed over a tool, which is the shape to which it must be bent. A plastic layer protects it from scratches, and the machine presses it into shape. A variety of different shaped tools are used for different parts. In the hand-forming shop, the component is shaped according to the numerically controlled program. The appropriate program is selected from the variety shown on the monitor. The component is then checked against drawings to verify lengths, angles, etc. Some parts also go to the hand check and adjust section, where operators hand form extra bends and angles that can't be done on the press. Some components are fitted to a jig and clamped for assembly. All the separate parts are held in place while they are drilled and then riveted together. These finished electrical racks, which hold the electrical wiring, go into the underbelly below the cockpit, and these electrical boxes that contain all the circuit breakers go into the cockpit's back walls. In the welding shop, parts are welded both manually and by robotics. For aircraft safety, all welds have to be X-rayed and thoroughly inspected for any faults or cracks. You need a grade 9 or a national certificate 2 for this trade, and some sites set their own requirements. In this site's training center, apprentices do 1 year's training, followed by 1.5 years supervised working, and then a trade test. Once qualified, they can work in any sheet metal manufacturing industry. This trade is in high demand, offering rewarding careers across many industries.